Start. The possibility that the sentence may serve as a deterrent to crime by the offender or by others, and the current community need, if any, for such a deterrent in respect to the particular type of offense. Full stop. These factors have to be taken into account by the court in deciding upon the appropriate sentence. Para as per discussion made above, and in the facts of this case, what amount of compensation may be directed to the appellant herein needs to be looked into. Full stop. In this regard, in the case of compulsory acquisition of land, the eminent domain of the state cannot be doubted. Full stop. Simultaneously, right of the landowner enshrined under Article 300 of the Constitution of India, which has been recognized as a civil right, cannot be overlooked. Full stop. Therefore, if any individual is to be divested or deprived of the said right by the state, it ought not be done without giving compensation in accordance with law for the land so acquired for public purpose. Full stop. After the writ petition was allowed by the High Court, the appellants herein filed a review petition claiming therein that the view taken by the High Court that there was infraction of Rules 60 of the BSF Rules 1969 is erroneous because those provisions get attracted only if the trial is by a general or a petty security force court, whereas the original petitioner was tried by a summary security force code in terms of section 70 of the BSF Act 1968. Para. Per contra, on behalf of the respondent, it was submitted that the order passed by the High Court is just and proper based on appreciation of the materials on record. Full stop. Moreover, taking into account that there was no eyewitness of photographs being clicked by the original petitioner and no incriminating object or article was recovered from the original petitioner's possession, there was no reason for the original petitioner to accept his guilt. Full stop. Further, as a whole case of the department is based on the confession petitioner and the is disputed minutes of by the original proceedings, recording confession is not signed by the petitioner. The High Court rightly explored the evidence to find out whether in the circumstances making of such a confession was probable or not. Full stop. Otherwise, no evidence was laid, and the record of evidence did not satisfactorily establish the charge against the original petitioner, and therefore a decision was taken to remand the original petitioner for a trial. Full stop. In these circumstances, there was no occasion for the original petitioner to admit his guilt. Para. Consequently, once the High Court, on overall assessment of the materials placed on record, has taken a sound view of the matter, it would not be a fit case where the discretionary powers under Article 136 of the Constitution of India be invoked to set aside an order where substantial justice has been done. Stop.